This guy died because he stopped snoring. In January 1996, Mark Gleason and his girlfriend Tracy Lambass wanted to find a way to stop Mark's extreme snoring. He tried to solve the problem, but unfortunately, doctors had told the man that his snoring was incurable. But this didn't stop Mark and his girlfriend. One day, they had a genius idea. They would simply put Tracy's used tampons up his nose to solve the problem. The same night, they tried exactly this, and believe it or not, it actually worked. Except it also stopped Mark's breathing, and the poor motherfucker died in his sleep.